What up, y'all? We got a trade recap for you today. Um, yeah, let me just fix this. Word. All right, coming into market open. I'm obviously bullish. Um, what did I want to show you? Hourly time frame. Coming into market open. I'm bullish. Obviously, I didn't see that we broke 1 hour structure to the downside here before that, but besides the point, I'm bullish, and yeah. Oh shit, my screen just shut off. Hold on. So yeah, I'm bullish. I wanted to see us come down, sweep lows, and then go higher. These 1 hour lows, maybe these. We got an SMT off those on Nasdaq to lead that to the upside. I'm putting this higher. What else did I want to say? Yeah, bullish, but then my bias kind of switched. It kind of switched bearish almost due to the fact that ES was just dumping um until we broke 5 minute structure to the upside here. Like once I saw this move down, I was like, okay, let me see a continuation and grab this low as a take profit one. I didn't want to take any trades just because the fact that the two indexes were uncorrelated. Nasdaq was ripping higher, ES was going lower. It just wasn't worth taking the trade, unfortunately. To either direction, I wasn't really looking, to be honest. Until I saw this on Nasdaq, I wanted to enter this. Again, I didn't just because of the fact that ES were so close to these lows. And I really did think that ES was gonna come back underneath and take these lows out. Unfortunately, that wasn't the case. So we could have taken this trade, but we didn't. The trade idea was based off this SMT off this 1 hour drawn liquidity on the 1 minute time. Oh yeah, sorry, wait, 5 minute time frame. Where was it? Oh, here, yeah. So we have this low here. Nasdaq comes down, sweeps the low, sweeps all these lows. Yeah, wait. Yeah, sweeps these lows, not this one, these lows. And then immediately, this place is higher and we do not break structure off of it. So I treated that as a equilibrium retracement. Here. I treated that as an equilibrium retracement. So as soon as we broke 1 minute back to the upside, I wanted to enter. And it was nice because we broke structure and we also inversed this gap here on this candle closure. So it was nice longs. So this is the trade I wanted to take. I unfortunately didn't. Like I said, uncorrelated price action, I thought it was best just to set the trading day out until a bias was confirmed. So didn't take this trade. Then I came over to ES, and then ES we broke 5 minutes to the upside. So now I was like, all right, I want to see how we treat this gap first of all, and yeah, then we might take longs on ES. The reason why I'm not taking longs on Nasdaq, obviously we're more bullish on Nasdaq. We just didn't have any draws on liquidity, so I didn't really know where to put a take profit or stop loss. Yes, but I didn't know where to put a take profit. Obviously, there's fib extensions that you could do to figure that out. I just did not think it was needed. So then I entered this on ES due to the fact that whenever we set liquidity, we broke structures to the upside. Yes, we filled in this fair value gap. The reason why I was okay kind of disregarding it was for two reasons. One, we're at all-time highs, so close your eyes and press buy. Two, because, again, not to repeat myself, but we broke structure, and then just because that's a bigger, oh shit, just because that's a bigger fair value gap doesn't mean it's more valid than a smaller fair value gap. So once we came in and we tapped into this one, we broke 1 minute structure. Here's where I wanted to enter. I was still being a little bit patient. And then I saw we're just printing up, up, up. I was like, fuck it, bro. I gotta press buy before we go high, right? And then ended up coming down, shopping around negative for a little bit, and now we're back to positive. But in the midst of this price action, this choppy fucking price action, I hold on. I want to go break even, but I want this to be my break even point. I want us to take out this and then see how we react, and then I'll decide. But yeah, so in the mix of this choppy price action, broke structure to the downside, broke structure to the upside, broke structure to the downside, broke structure to the upside. Fucking super choppy. So I decided to put my original take profit one, which was this high, which was a total. So it was a total of 8 contracts I entered with. So it was 4 up here, 4 up here, or down here. Sorry, I moved that 4 to break even. So half of my position got closed out at break even. So pretty much just closed half of my position for no loss or gain. So now I'm only in with 4 contracts. So we'll see how price plays out. But yeah, that's the trade recap of the day. I'm gonna wait till we hit break even, this break even marker, and then I'll probably go stop loss to break even. The thing about going stop loss to break even, like I'm not really a fan of it in certain cases. Like in this case, my break even would be right. No, that gap's been filled. I guess it'd be okay. Because I don't think we're gonna come down sweep these. Yeah, I think stops here at break even are gonna be nice for us. We'll go ahead and confirm that once we hit this take profit. But anyway, boys, that's the trade recap for today. Hope y'all fucked with it. Peace out.